Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I am drinking is strawberry lemonade vodka by Svedka with, of course, Publix Deli raspberry lemonade. If you still haven't tried it since the last time I told you, you guys are asleep. You need to get woke and get yourself some Publix Deli raspberry lemonade. This is not sponsored, just a plug for, okay. Jumping into the video, as you can see from the title below, we are going to be discussing why your head is whack. For both guys and girls, of course, because we don't discriminate in these here parts. So let us start with the guys, why your head is whack. Actually, let's do both. Here are the three reasons why your head is whack. 1, you don't listen to your partner. 2, you're stuck on just one place doing the same thing over and over. And 3, you just don't enjoy it. That's it. Basically, the end of the video. Have a great night. Goodbye. When you are going down on your partner, whether male or female, if you're not enjoying the act, then it's going to portray in the end result. And matter of fact, I don't think that relates to girls giving guys head or guys getting head, because I feel like when guys get head, they just take it. I don't know. If I'm wrong, please comment down below and tell me that I'm wrong. Unless she's using like mad teeth, no matter how slow or fast she goes, you're actually, no. I've heard some stories. I lie. I digress. If you're not enjoying the act, it's going to affect the way the head is received. So if you're not enjoying giving the head, it's not going to be enjoyable for your partner, whether it's a guy or a girl. They're just not going to enjoy it. Okay. The second point is that you're stuck on the one space for too long. For guys, if you just constantly sucking on her clit, it's going to get annoying. It's going to get aggravating. There are so many more points of the vagina to explore. There's a whole hole on the other end that you need to explore. Her thighs need to be kissed and caressed that you are ignoring as well. Like, there's so many other parts, the labia majora, the labia minora. I think I said that wrong. Again, the inner thighs, the anus, all that stuff. You need to cover all your grounds. Make sure you're incorporating your hands as well. And you don't have to stick a whole, fist or whatever up there. Just caress her and make her feel loved and wanted and enjoyed. If you're not enjoying it, again, she's not going to enjoy receiving it. For the girls, if all you're doing is like just tickling the tip, granted, yes, that is the most sensitive or one of the most sensitive parts of the penis, but you have to go deep sometimes. You have to play with the ball. And we did discuss this in was it last Naked Sunday, the Naked Sunday before we did balls licking and sucking, even though it was not really much of a how-to or a tutorial, and this one person got mad at me for that. Beyond the point, you still cannot ignore those areas. Whether if you're not going to suck it, you have to play with it. The taint, you want to, if you're not going to lick it like me, I'm not going to lick it, but if you use your hands and caress it and rub it and massage it, that's, go ahead and use your hand and do your little hand motion thingies while you're sucking. Do other than just the basic, because if you're not enjoying it, again, it comes back to you not enjoying it. It's not going to be enjoyed. And the last point is you're not listening to your partner. If you're giving your girl or your guy head and they're like, all right, go faster or go harder or go lower or higher or do this or do that, and you refuse to do it or compromise some kind of way, then they're not going to end. That is going back again, they're not going to enjoy it because you are not listening to what they are saying. Okay, you have to listen to your partner. You have to be open to accept what's the word I'm looking for? Direction. Not everybody's the same. Not everybody likes the same things. So you have to feel out your partner and see what they like, what him or her like, what he or her likes, to get the proper outcome, for them to enjoy what you're giving. These are the 3 reasons why your head is whack. If you have any more reasons to add, leave them in the comments section below. I am definitely willing to read and comment with you and trade stories and tricks and tips and all that good stuff. If you have a comment or a question, see that you're too embarrassed to leave in the comment section, my email is in the description bar, so go ahead, shoot me an email. I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Bunnies, so quick question. Do you want to film a Naked Sunday video with me? If yes, which I'm hoping the answer is yes, now is the perfect time to film with me. Click the link in the description bar below so you can get full access to the very first live taping of Naked Sunday. I'm gonna bring two of my favorite girlfriends. We are going to have an open bar, we're gonna have giveaways, we're gonna have pictures, and of course, we're going to be talking sex. Right? How fun is that? So if you want to be part of the very first filming of the, what am I going to call this? Naked Sunday full frontal, click the link in the description bar below for more info.